Now let us move to our next tool. Go to File, Info, Protect Document, and next tool is Mark as Final. When you use this feature, then it will indicate the user that you have marked this document as final one. Okay, so let's try it. Asking you confirmation. Let's say you okay. Now it's saying the document has been marked as final. Okay, okay. Now you can see the yellow mark notification here. Go back to your document. Okay. Now it has marked document as final, and now when it is marked as final, you cannot edit it. It is just for viewing. Okay. Now even if you want to change to edit, it cannot be changed. Got it? So this when you can use this. So there are scenarios when you have to update the document multiple times, and it is very difficult to track exactly which is the final document. Okay, then you can mark this document as final and send to your colleague. Okay, and your colleague will get know, okay, this is the final document. Fine. Now how to remove this final mark? Let's go to File, Info, Protect Document. Again click on Mark as final. Now the final mark has been removed from the document. Now you can edit it.